Hi guys, so my name is Monica Blunder. I'm a celebrity makeup artist from Los Angeles and I'm here today with Wonder Beauty. It's such a beautiful new line and I'm super excited to share with you guys one of the looks I created today. It's the perfect everyday makeup look. It's the way how I love wearing my makeup every day if I go to work or if I just want to be like, you know, very natural. And the products are so easy to use, so keep on watching if you want to see this look and hope you like it. The first product I'm applying is a product called In Moisturizer, and what I love about this moisturizer is that it has Pentavitin in it, and Pentavitin is a brand new ingredient which I love because it gives you so much moisture and it really like keeps the moisture in for 72 hours. What I love about this Glow Ahead face oil is it just gives you an extra, it gives you a little bit more of a glow, and I love mixing it into the foundation sometimes because it just kind of shears out the foundation and makes it look much more natural. The next product I'm going to use is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I am shade medium. What I love about this foundation that it first of all comes with a doe-foot applicator. I love a doe-foot. It makes it so easy to apply the foundation. Now, what I also love about this foundation is that it has a really beautiful formulation. It's sheer, but it's also pigmented at the same time. So a little bit goes a long way. The way how I like to apply my foundation is with a buffing brush. What I really love about this Wonder Nude Illusion foundation brush is that it comes double-sided, a buffing brush and a foundation brush, and it has so many, you know, multifunctional purposes. You can, you know, buff your foundation in, and what it does, it just makes it look really natural. And I also love the smaller brush on the other side, which, you know, is more detail oriented. You can go around your nose area. You can also use it on your eyelid. You can use it, you know, maybe more into your hairline. It has so many different functions and it's a great brush. Alright, what I love about the Wonder Frame You Face eye pencil is, first of all, it comes with a little spoolie. It's always very helpful to first brush up your eyebrows. And then I love that it's so thin and you can really mimic your own hairs with it. So you can like do really thin, fine strokes and it will make your eyebrows look super natural and it will give you a beautiful shape to your face. Alright, this here is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I really love this packaging because it's really travel friendly. You can squeeze every last little bits out of this mascara. I also really love the brush. It really allows me to get really close in there. And then I usually wait a few seconds and then I do another layer, just depending on how thick you want your lashes to look. But you can see with one coat already, it looks really nice and full. My next product is the Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow in Rose Garden, and I love it because it's a liquid shadow but it sets into a powder. So the way how I do it is it's so simple and it's like a really great like everyday kind of eyeshadow look where you just, you know, literally you don't need a brush, you just use the little doe-foot applicator and you apply it directly on your eyelid, and you just use the little spongy applicator, and then you can just use your finger and go in and just kind of like, you know, blend it into your eye, and then again it sets into a powder and it won't smudge and it just gives you like a beautiful sheen to your eyes. The next step is the Duelist Concealer. I love this concealer. When I first was introduced to Wonder and I got this product sent, I was instantly hooked because I love like the dual function of it. You first have this stick concealer, and then you also have the liquid concealer on the other end. So great for the woman on the go because you can just throw this in your purse. You can use the stick concealer for like any imperfection. If you have any sun damage or you have a breakout, you use the stick. And I love using the liquid concealer on the other end for underneath my eyes for brightening. Wonder on the Glow blush. I love this product. Again, I'm such a huge fan of multi-functional products, and this one is just so great because you can really use the blush side for, you know, your cheeks. I even put it on my eyes or on your lips, and the other side is your highlighter, and this is just a really nice kind of added bonus if you want a little bit of a glow. And again, I even use this underneath my brow bows. It's just a really beautiful product. So the next step is my lips. This one is the lip setter and the shade is called On the Mauve. I love this product because again it is multifunctional for the woman on the go. You have your lip liner built in and your lip product. It's the perfect shade, I think. It's like very pretty, like a light pink or rose shade. So I always start with lining my lips to just create a little bit more shape and definition. And then I go in with my lipstick and I just fill my lips with the lipstick. Last step is powder. This is such a unique product and I haven't seen anything like this on the market. Again, it's really for the woman on the go and it's so user friendly. There's first of all no spillage. You have your product in the powder puff. It's almost like a salt and pepper type of application where you have to just kind of like, you know, press it a little bit on your hand and all of a sudden you will see this beautiful translucent formulation come out. And again, it's so easy to apply and I just use it in my T-zone because I want to keep the rest of my face very luminous and glowy. So I just go in with the powder puff and I literally just go in my chin area, around my nose, on my forehead. So this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup application. If you want to see more of my work, you can go check me out on my YouTube channel at monicablunder.com. And if you want to find all these amazing products, then just go on wonderbeauty.com. And I see you soon. Thanks for watching.